Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisette, aka the Paint by Number Lady, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Or is it an untubing? Because the canvas for my Diamond Painting Challenge 2021 has arrived from Diamond Painting Deutschland, Joie de Vivre from Josephine Wall. So let's have a look, shall we? Okay, right, so this is the box. Sorry for the glare. Aus Liebe zum Detail, with love for detail. Josephine Wall, Joie de Vivre, 90 by 76 centimeters, 220 Farben. Farben means colors, and eckige Steine means square drills. And this is the image. Alright, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Oh, right. Okay. So it's a double-sided adhesive. And oh, sorry. It's a double-sided adhesive. Oh, it's really sturdy, the canvas. And with double-sided adhesive you always need to check the back. Oh wow, it's big, guys. But this, can you see this? Absolutely no wrinkles whatsoever. Oh, it's gorgeous. And these are the drills, and they're in baggies. There are a lot of them. Here's another one. Okay, baggies. Okay, so there are 3 bags of drills. This is the toolkit. Tweezers. Oh, they're not the pointy ones. A little white boat with a funnel, some wax, a clear pen, and a four-placer. And this is a I think it's an 8-placer, but the funny thing is this is a wide one and this is a clear one. Why they haven't put in the same type, I don't understand, but okay. Right, so that's the toolkit. Oh, you guys, I'm really glad with the canvas. The backside, oh, there are no folds in it whatsoever, no bubbles. It's wow. Okay, the symbols. 1, 2 sheets of symbols. So these are the symbols. This is the DMC color, and this is how many you need, and this is how many packs there are within those packs. Okay, so I've got 2 sheets of these, and I've got 2 sheets with stickers, and a DMC color on it that I can put on my boxes. Oh, there's a little hand. Hi guys! And oh, there's another hand. And we'll take a look at all the symbols later because I want to do them in depth. Oh, just one other, guys. Let me have it. A little stroller. Oh, yes, and a cup of coffee for my morning coffee. Okay, well, we'll go and take a look at that later. Let's take a look at the canvas itself, guys. Okay, whoops. Right, so, okay. Right, guys, sorry for the glare, but okay, on this side there is a really large legend. Oh my god. Let's just start there, up. Okay, everything is on it. It's just on one side of the canvas. As you can see, it's double-sided adhesive, but here's a layer of glue and there isn't an actual drill field because that starts over here, the darker color. So I need to put some washi tape on this part because otherwise it will get really messy. There isn't a thumbnail on the picture, but here it states Josephine Wall Joie de Vivre Diamond Painting. Alright. Whoa. So I'm going to very gently open it and I hope I don't mess it up. Right. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna show you a little bit up close first and then I'll do the entire. Oh, this is a lot of confetti. This really is confetti. Okay, let me show you. Wow! Oh my god, can you see the symbols? They are quite clear. It's really easy to see. I will be using a light pad. And as you can see, oh, this is the glue. This is actually like a grid. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to hold it steady. Let me show you. Look, it's, you see those rectangular, like this. Oh. So it consists of grids. Okay. It is really clear though. It's really easy to read. But it's a lot of confetti, as you can see. Okay, oh, and the glue, guys, it's really sticky. So I need to be placing those drilled perfectly, which is going to be a challenge. Right, so, okay, here we go. Are you ready? Oh my god, it's really sticky, you guys. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to take my time. Oh, wow. This is going to take forever to finish, but that's the challenge. Oh wow, so much detail. I really think, oh, you won't be able to. Ooh. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm doing my best. I'm trying to do it as carefully as I can. Oh, and I want to show you the entire thing, so bear with me. Oh, and I can't take off the entire thing because then I won't be able to put it back. So I hope the cats will stay in the other room. Right, so I'll go as far as here, so you just won't see the last part, but you'll forgive me for that. Okay, so it's sideways right now, but I'm going to turn you around and show you the entire thing, of course. Alright, so, okay. Oh, you guys, this is really something. Right. Oh, wow. I'm not intimidated at all. No. I can do this. Oh, I see her now. Oh, I see her. She is gorgeous. Right, I'll bring you up closer once I've opened this, guys. Oh, and I already see my diamond painting bonbon. If you don't know what a diamond painting bonbon is, a diamond painting bonbon is just a part of a canvas that I save for last. Wow! As a little treat for doing something like this. So I'll bring you up closer to show you. Okay, guys, this is, oh wow. Oh wow. So this is my diamond painting challenge for 2021. Okay, as you can see, I hope I don't make you dizzy, but there she is, and that's her head, and those are her wings, and over there on top are the flowers, and there are all the butterflies. And my diamond painting bonbon is this one, the little pink butterfly near her waist. Oh wow. Oh, you guys, once this is finished, which is going to take forever, but once this is finished, it will be awesome. Wow. So I'll just bring you up a little closer. So I already know that I'm going to be starting on the bottom left side, and I'm going to be working that way. Oh wow. Don't you think she's gorgeous? I'm so glad I picked this one. The colors are so beautiful, and this one is going to be awesome. Okay, I'm going to cover her up, guys, because I don't feel too great about having her out like this. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay. So they're all in baggies, as you can see. Oh, I already see that I like this color. Right, so the drills look great. As you can see, they're all the same size and they add up really well. So I don't think I will be needing a multi-placer for this one. Maybe the 3, but it's a lot of confetti. And oh, let me just show you on each bag. On each bag it says the DMC color. So I'm going to look up the symbol for this one. 964. $9.64 is the little electrical socket. You see that? So that's for this one. So, right guys, 220 colors. But as you can see, look, for certain bags you only need this amount. So, but the colors, oh wow. Look at this, you guys. Wow. Okay, I'll just go and get the other two. There are a lot of turquoises and pinks, all kinds of greens. Well, you know me, I like my turquoise. So this color, 964, is definitely one of my favorites. So guys, I've got my colors, I've got my legend, and I've got my stickers, so I'm all set to start kitting up this thing. I will be making other videos, perhaps for the symbols or just my system, how I'm going to tackle this one. I need to put washi tape on it. Oh, and I've got, I bought 3 different colors, but I think I'm going to go with the turquoise one because this is my favorite color. So I'm going to prep and then I'm going to get started in January. And I hope you will follow along on this adventure. I'm just starting out, you guys. I'm working on Autumn Walk right now, which is my 3rd canvas. So I've only just done 2 real diamond paintings. I've done a couple of smaller ones, but just 2 big ones. So it's going to be a challenge, that's for sure, but I think I can handle it. And it's going to be a lot of confetti, so a lot of single placing. And I think in the beginning I'll be searching for different colors a lot. If you want to follow along, please consider subscribing. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.